Hi everyone, Quid's back again for Inkscape tutorial number 4 on how to use the star tool. Well, stars are quite a complex and entertaining shape, and if you really want to see what Inkscape can do, have a play around with the star tool. So these were some that I created earlier. You can see the variety of shapes that I've actually managed to produce with it. So going from what would look like a standard star shape, something a bit of, well, waving around, to something very random there. And that's just a mess of lines, isn't it? Lots of triangles. And yep, you can even do polygons with it. Yeah, all that was created with one tool, and it was the star tool. So let's have a look how we can use it. So here it is, star tool. I'm not sure what the keyboard shortcut is though. Got to try and find that one out. Anyway, you get two different types of stars. And on this button here, you can have regular polygon with one handle instead of a star, or star instead of a regular polygon with one handle. Yeah, that's weird how they wrote that. What it means is stars have two handles and polygons have just one. And you can also adjust the number of corners. So the minimum number is 3 corners, and it goes right up to 1024. Which, because of the small shape, just looks like a solid black line. So you can also adjust the spoke ratio. You can see the centre getting bigger there. In fact, so big it swells out beyond the star tips. Or so small it's almost non-existent there. Yeah. You can adjust the roundness of the edges. Like that. And you could also change the amount of randomization. And the higher you make it, the more Inkscape will adjust. Yeah, random edges. So if you try to draw a star now, it goes everywhere. The higher the random number, the more it moves each time you move the mouse. So yeah, a bit more entertainment there. Weird entertainment. And you can also use the shift drag. So you hold down the shift key to move the handles. And that changes the roundness of the edges. And you could also use the edit paths by nodes tool for this as well. So yeah, let's have a little mess around with this. You can just start with one star there. Adjusting its handles, you can move it all sorts of directions and create lots of weird shapes. Like that. In fact, overlaying itself there. It's all the way round. Adjusting the other handle as well. Adjust the length of the star points and angle as well if you move the mouse around. There you are. Let's do a few more. So the polygons as well. So you can't really adjust much there. So if we put loads of corners in, again, so say 40. Yeah, lots of little spikes now. Reducing it down. Again, it ends up with some right weird patterns there. So, looks a bit like a flower. Yeah. There's a lovely little flower created with a star tool. What colour would a flower be? Let's make it red. Yeah. Anyway, it's really just a tool to have a play around with. I couldn't go into everything you can do with it because there is so much you can do, as you can see. Right, it concludes the brief look at the star tool. So please, thumbs up and subscribe. If you've got any questions, about Inkscape, please put them in the comments below. I'll see you later.